What are San Leandro's plans for electric vehicle charging stations, specifically the Cal Can Start Garage project?
Yeah, we shouldn't stop with the garage. We should look at getting funding to help people put the wiring they need into their own homes. Electric cars are a no-brainer. With a lot of the mileage that people use around living and getting to work in the Bay Area, it conforms right now to that amount of battery capacity that is limited right now to about 100 miles. We know with Moore's Law and microprocessors, the ability to get these batteries to reach longer amounts of time and distance is in our near future, not our distant future. I'm going to give you some homework tonight and check out a company called A Better Place. And this company is about ready to start trials in Australia, Denmark, and Israel. And what they're doing is they're using renewable energy to power the batteries and the charging stations to run electric cars in those countries. Excellent idea.
Thank you. Mr. Anderson.
I'm not sure if the city of San Leandro has a complete plan for the electrical stations. They mentioned about the parking garage, which is great, but you need a complete plan. And I hope that it doesn't take us that long to complete the garage as it has for us to develop the marina. I think this is an area where San Leandro can take the leadership and start by doing this, the electrical charging stations throughout San Leandro. We know that they've tried to start it in Sacramento and they want to go city by city. And I think this is an area where San Leandro can definitely take the lead. Thank you.
Okay,